Christian news from English Christian Times. Al-Shabaab conducted an attack in Mogadishu, Somalia. On July 13th, there was a suicide car bomb attack in Mogadishu, Somalia. The attacker drove a bomb-laden car into a convoy that killed one civilian, and fortunately, the head of Somalia's military escaped the attack unhurt. New law could chalk freedoms in Philippines. Bishop Broderick Pabilo wrote a letter published by the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines denouncing the newly passed anti-terrorism law. The law intends to prevent terrorism. However, many human rights activists are concerned that activism and criticism of the government could be included under this definition. Turkish pastors receives death threats. On July 12th, a Turkish citizen named Caner G came to the Sunday worship center at Anatolia Bible Church asking for church leadership reports. Christian Haber. ICC provides educational support in Myanmar. In January 2019, Pastor Yu Tunnu was abducted at gunpoint by the Arakan army. As the months passed by, it was widely assumed that he was dead, but his wife continued praying faithfully for his return. False accusation about baptism service draws police investigation into church in India. On July 5th, an unidentified man believed to be a Hindu nationalist filed a false police report against a pastor in Andhra Pradesh alleging possible conversion activities. The accusation was made against Pastor Chinna Rao, head pastor of the church, where 50 to 60 people worship regularly in a rented house in Visakhapatnam. New York bishops push back on bill proposing study of pro-life pregnancy centers. The New York Catholic bishops have voiced opposition to a bill that would report on the state's pro-life pregnancy centers, saying its wording shows an inherent bias against the pregnancy centers. Israeli forces remove 6th century baptismal font from Palestinian town. Israeli forces on July 20th carried out an operation to retrieve a Byzantine-era baptismal font that they said was stolen from an archaeological site 20 years ago. China turns surveillance state on religious gatherings. China is using advanced technology to monitor both public and private religious gatherings, witnesses told a federal hearing on Wednesday. This Roman church was a gift from Catholics around the world to Leo XIII. There are many Catholic churches in Rome, but few can boast of having been built through the contributions of Catholics around the world as a gift to the Pope. San Gecino a Prati di Castello is an exception. US bishops oppose Trump move to exclude undocumented in farming house districts. The US bishops on Wednesday decried President Donald Trump's recent memo seeking to exclude documented persons counted in the census from being considered when determining the number of legislators each state will have in the House of Representatives. The nation doesn't simply need what we have, it needs what we are. Saint Theresia Benedicta. News Desk, English Christian Times.